I'm going to get back of the chair, back of the couch, tabletop counter, whatever. And I want to just get my feet sort of evenly through the weight spread evenly, and I'm literally going to come up onto my toes. Now as I do that, what I want to make sure that I do is that I engage my buttocks, I engage my thighs, so I tighten and bring my knees up, and I'll be using my calves. And again, it's just a nice, easy, just lift. It actually feels quite nice when you do it. And it's about 5, so we've got 5 more to go. Set of standing exercises, I call them rock around the clock, and you're going to put a band around your feet. Okay, so put there. I get the band around my knees, and I can either do it facing a chair or a tabletop. I'm going to face you for now, and hold on to something there. In fact, actually the support would be better on the other side, so just because I'm not going to turn around, I'm going to move that there. Okay. So I'm going to hold on, or I could hold on here, and assuming still that the right leg is my operated leg, I'm going to take my leg just off center, so slightly back, and then I'm going to pull to the side. Okay, just like that, and I keep my knee nice and straight. Now in hospital you were tapping to the side, so this is a progression. I'm just going to turn and face you so you can see what it looks like, and I'm doing that. Then from there, what you're going to do, I'm going to just face sideways again. In hospital we were tapping behind us. I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to just pull straight back. And I've got the band around my ankles. And then the last one with that is I'm going to pull the band straight forward. Alright, so I'm going to make sure with this I really tighten my thigh and I pull forward. Now this is one exercise where sometimes around the 2-week mark I get a little bit of groin pain, so right in the center here. Now if I do get that, then back off the exercise. It's the one exercise that I'm kind of saying, hold on. And you would test it every day, so you might just do a few and see how you feel. If it feels fine, then go on and do the reps. Otherwise, just back off. Okay, I'm just going to do 2 more of those. All right, perfect. Now, what you'll probably notice is that your good leg, or the unoperated leg, actually took a lot of load, and it was actually quite a tough exercise for that. So what we normally suggest at about week 3 or 4, you would actually do the exercises on both legs. So then you would put all your weight on the operated leg, and you would then pull to the side. Okay, we're not going to do that today, but it's just an indication of where we could be going. Take it easy, keep listening to your body. I always say 8 to 12 reps. So if you can just get to 8, the exercise is probably a bit tough. If you can easily push past 12, it's probably getting a little bit easier. Instead of making it harder straight away, what I would probably do is add another set in. So when we're talking about sets, we're talking reps are 8 to 12, and that would make up one set. You could take a 30-second break, and then you would do another set. Personally, I find it boring to wait 30 seconds, So often, like in standing, I would do another, I would mix up 3 exercises. So in this one, rock around the clock, I'd like kind of pull it to the side and then pull it back and then pull it forward. Okay, doing 10 of each of those, and then another set, I would repeat that. But in the early phases, you can just really do 8 to 12 reps. All right, see how you go and have fun.